It's really easy to make an app for your mobile phone, and today I'm going to show you how you can make one. So let's begin with this new tutorial. So the platform that I'm going to use is MIT App Inventor, which is basically invented by Google and nowadays is being managing by MIT University. This is open source, so anyone can use it free of charge. Press the create app. For that you need to have a Google account, and then you can log in by using that. The first screen that you will see after login is your projects. So this first screen, it lists all the projects that you have been created. If you're new, then you won't see anything here. From the left you can start your new project by clicking this button, and then you have some functions, you have some options on the top. In project you can start project, import from AI, which is App Inventor extension, from your computer, delete a project, save a project, export it. In the connect, you can use three options to test your application. Either you can install the AI companion on your mobile and then use a QR code to run your app on your mobile and then test it. Emulator is basically a small program that been provided by the same company, like MIT University, that you can install on your laptop or desktop to test your app. And same with the USB, you can connect with the USB and just run your software on your mobile. Then you can do the hard reset or reset connection of your mobile. In the build option, you can build the app into APK file, and then you can either you can save it on your computer, or either you can save it on MIT server and use a QR code to download it. And the help is a simple help, and then the gallery is basically, if you publish your project, it will go to the gallery of MIT, and then anybody can download and use your software. Guide and all the other rest options are the same. So for example, if you start a new project, and I'm gonna write down test project, and then click OK. So after that you will see initial screen, which is a blank project with the name screen. There are so many screens you can add up by adding from the top. You can add as many screens as you like, and then give them a name, different names. On the left hand side of this main screen, you can see there is so many palettes of user interface. In user interface you can add buttons, checkboxes, image, labels, all those things that you need for building a project or a software, like a text box or a time picker. And there are so many so we have so many palettes on the left hand side. The others are layout. You can fix your layout of your screen using a horizontal and vertical alignment. You can put tables in it. Also you can use media plugins like camera access, player, sound or sound recorder. You can use a speech recognition, text, so many functions you can use for your app. You can use a map functionality. You can use sensors of your mobile. You can use storage, database or file, connectivity like Bluetooth, all those things. So it's provide you so many functionalities for your softwares, from beginning to advanced level. Also, if for example, if there's on the right hand side, you can see a component pane and a property section. For a component, whatever you can put on your screen, it comes up on component. For example, if I put button, you can see the component, it shows button 1, and if I click on the button on the right hand side, it shows the property of that button. So you can change the property of your button or any component and use that functionality. For example, if I want to make the color different, you can change the color to green. So on the right hand side you will see all the properties of that button. You can change the color, you can enable or disable the button, you can change the font size, type of the button, height, width. You can change nearly everything of that button, shape, text of that button. If I change text to hello, you can see that it will change to hello. You can change the hello now, see. And then I'm not going to show you the proper how to make the proper app in this tutorial because it's going to be too long. I'm going to make another separate tutorial to show you how to make the smallest app. So this is basically a small introduction to this app inventor, that how you can create a simplest app in so easy way. And this software is so good that even a child can learn it, and it's so simple. You will see in the future videos, and I will show you how to create from beginning level to advanced level. And also after that, you can either you can build, when you complete all your softwares, you can build your app APK file and send it to your mobile and save it, or also you can distribute amongst your friends. So that's all friends for today, and I will see you in the next tutorial where I will show you how to create an app. Thanks for your help, thanks for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.